Hi, this is Matthias here from Windsor.ai, and today I'll show you how to get Search Console data into Google Sheets. You need to have access to a Search Console account and of course to Google Sheets. Let's get started. Step 1. Head to onboard.windsor.ai and look for Search Console, grant access. Then all your Search Console accounts appear in the drop-down below. Select the ones you want to connect. Then step 2, preview and destination. The right-hand side, when you select Search Console, some of your data will appear in the preview. This is just to check if the data is connected. And then we get the data into Google Sheets. Click Google Sheets, install the add-on. Open a new Google Sheets document, head to Extensions, Windsor.ai, then click Login. And now you grab your API key from down here, enter it, and once you logged in, you see your username here. Back in Extensions, Windsor.ai, you see Get Data into Sheet appearing. Give the query a name, specify the target sheet name. Now here you select Search Console. Then you can select accounts. These are your Search Console domains or properties. In case you do not select an account, it automatically loads data from all the accounts you have connected. Select the date range, and then you can select the fields. Now you could also set up the schedule here to refresh hourly. Then you load data. Now your Google Search Console data is in Google Sheets. You would repeat this process in case you need to have different combinations of metrics and dimensions in different Google Sheets. And of course, there are also other connectors, so feel free to have a look at them. Thanks very much for watching, and enjoy working with our connectors.